The microparticle evacuation system comes in a pre-rolled plastic roll. The green tape is removed and the roll is unrolled on the bed. The tabs are labeled with E and I and numbers 1 through 4. The 1E tab is grasped first and brought to the 1I tab. The 1E stands for external, is placed outside the 1I tab, which stands for internal. Step 2 is to take the 2E tab and bring it to the 2I tab. The 2E external tab is placed over the 2I internal tab. The next step is to take the 3I tab and bring it to the 3E tab. The I tab is placed internal to the external tab. And the process is repeated for the tab labeled 4I and 4E. The barrier is now complete and can be placed over the patient. The other option is to remove the green tape on the plastic sheeting prior to placing the barrier over the patient. The plastic sheeting can be brought down and tucked over the patient's legs to create an approximate seal. The armholes are then covered with the plastic sheeting pre-taped above each armhole. The suction tubing can then be placed in the small 1/2 inch hole at the top of the barrier. It can then be hooked up to wall suction to create the evacuation. The microparticle evacuation system is now complete.